Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, all are fine. Now, children, today I will explain you lesson number 5 शिवाजी's education. एजुकेशन का मतलब क्या पता होता है पता आपको? पढ़ाई. वेरी गुड. Now, see children, beginning of Shivaji's education. How he started his education. Shahaji Raje himself was a scholar of Sanskrit. Now you know children who is Shahaji Raje? Very good. My children know na? Shahaji Raje is father of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje was father of Shivaji. And Shahaji Raje himself was a scholar of Sanskrit. In the Bangalore court, he had under his patronage artists and scholars of various languages. He appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Soon, Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. As Shahaji Raje was scholar, he also had appointed good intelligent teachers for Shivaji. And Shivaji got his education at the age of 7. When he was 7 years of old, his education was started. Shivaji became skilled in the arts of reading and writing. He became scholar as his papa was scholar na Shahaji Raje. He was also scholar in reading and writing. He began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad on his own. अपने आप वो read करते थे. As he was very good in reading and writing. To teach him warfare, Shahaji Raje had appointed some teachers. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and dhanpatta. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning arts. As he was very good in reading and writing, and he also read the stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata and Bhagavad. He was also good in riding horse. Who you know children? Shivaji. Yes. Shivaji has got very good teachers were appointed for him. And he was very good in riding a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and dhanpatta. At the age of Shivaji, at the age of 12, जब वो 12 साल के थे ना, he was very good with all different branches of learning and arts. Now you can see this picture. Shivaji's education under the supervision of Shahaji Raje. You can see this picture, children? Yes, very good. Now, soon Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expedition to conquer the states of Nayaks, local chiefs in Karnataka. Before setting out upon the expedition, Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. With them, he sent elephants, horses, and infantry, a treasury, a flag, and also trusted ministers, brave generals, and renowned teachers. Now, as Adil Shah, he sent Shahaji Raje. उसको कहाँ भेज दिया था? इधर भेजा था to expedition. Shahaji Raje on expedition to conquer the states of Nayakas, local chiefs. इन कर्नाटक में भेजा था शाहजी राजे को. सो ये लोग अकेले हो जाते. सो शाहजी राजे व्हाट ही डिड, ही सेंड शिवाजी एंड जीजाबाई टू पुणे. उनको पूना भेजा गया. जब वो गए पूना तो अकेले नहीं गए. उन्होंने क्या भेजा साथ में? बहुत सारे एलिफेंट्स, हॉर्सेस, इन्फेंट्री, ए ट्रेजरी, ए फ्लैग, एज ऑल्सो ट्रस्टेड मिनिस्टर. जो वो उसको ट्रस्टेड करते थे ना, जो उनके ट्रस्टेड मिनिस्टर्स थे, जिन पे उनको ट्रस्ट था शाहजी राजे को, वो भी उन्होंने भेजा. ब्रेव जनरल्स एंड रिनाउंड टीचर्स. रिजुवेनेशन ऑफ पुणे. जीजाबाई एंड शिवाजी रिटर्न टू पुणे. वो जब पूना आए, फिर शिवाजी को अपने जो बचपन के दिन थे याद हो गए, याद आई उनको, which he had spent on Shivneri. He could see the lofty peaks of the Sahyadri again and he became very happy. Pune at that time was not such a big city. It was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemy. When Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune, Pune was not a good at that time. It was a small city. और वो जो सिटी थी ना पूरे घिरे थे उनके पूरे एनिमीज थे शाहजी राजे के एट दैट टाइम. इट वॉज टोटली डिवास्टेड बाय शाहजी राजेस एनिमी. Now see, properties were damaged as they were in Pune na. What happened? Properties were damaged, houses were demolished, temples had collapsed, the frightened people had fled from their villages, fields had become barren, thick forests had grown, wolves roamed in the countryside. Pune thus was totally in shambles and ruins. As they gone to Pune na, where they saw उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टी थी सब प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज हो गई थी, हाउसेस गिर गए थे, टेम्पल्स भी गिर गए थे. पीपल बहुत डर गए थे क्योंकि उनके पास कुछ ये नहीं था, फील्ड भी बैरन हो गई थी, उपजाऊ नहीं थी. देवर थिक फॉरेस्ट वर देयर और वुल्स थे वहाँ कंट्री साइड पे. एंड पुणे वॉज टोटली इट वॉज रुइन, तहस नहस हो गया था. When the people living around came to know that Jijabai were returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. When the people came to know, वहाँ के people को पता चला, when they came to know that Jijabai and Shivaji they are coming to Pune, they have came to Pune, उनको जान में जान आई, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा. They were very happy. The people were very happy. Jijabai called all of them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. उनको सबको बुलाया जीजाबाई ने. And what she said, you come to Pune, you will be safe. People started settling in Pune, cultivating their lands. Jijabai had the dilapidated temples repaired. In the temples, worship began morning and evening. The town was again throbbing with people. Thus, Pune was totally transformed. As Jijabai said, उनको एश्योरिटी दी थी ना पीपल को. शी does what she did, she said to people to come and start their work. The people came and they were settling in Pune. Lands were cultivated, temples were built, and worship were there for temples morning and evening. And ऐसे ही पुणे was again totally transformed. सब पीपल आने जाने लग गए वहाँ, बहुत अच्छा माहौल हो गया पूना में. इट वॉज टोटल वो जो छोटा पूना था वो वैसे रहा ही नहीं. दस पुणे वॉज टोटली ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड. द अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ दादाजी कोंडदेव. अभी अचीवमेंट क्या किया दादाजी कोंडदेव ने, यू नो. व्हेन जीजाबाई एंड शिवाजी वर इन कर्नाटक, जब जीजाबाई एंड शिवाजी कर्नाटक में थे ना, देन दादाजी कोंडदेव लुक्ड आफ्टर द पुणे जागीर. उन्होंने जागीर संभाली. दादाजी कोंडदेव ने पूना की जागीर संभाली जब वो जीजाबाई एंड शिवाजी वर इन कर्नाटक. ही वॉज द सूबेदार ऑफ कोंडन ऑल्सो. और दादाजी कोंडदेव जो थे ना सूबेदार भी थे. किसके? कोंडाना के भी. ही वॉज वेरी फेथफुल, वो बहुत फेथफुल थे. He was strict, efficient and honest in his work. He was also just and a strict disciplinary. He served with devotion. At about this time, a big Vada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje, and big Vada was also built, and the Vada was named as Lal Mahal. लाल महल उसको बोला गया था. टू एनकरेज द पेजेंट्स टू टिल द लैंड्स, अपनी लैंड्स को उपजाऊ करने के लिए. दादाजी गेव दैम कंसेशन इन द लैंड टैक्स फॉर ए फ्यू ईयर्स. उनको टैक्स कंसेशन भी दिया गया था लैंड में. ही ऑफर प्राइजेस फॉर डिस्ट्रॉइंग वुल्फ्स. जो वुल्फ को मारता था ना उनको प्राइज़ दिया जाता था, बिकॉज पूना में बहुत वुल्फ्स हो गए थे ना, तो उसको जो मारेगा वुल्फ को उसको प्राइज़ दिया जाता था. which investigated the countryside and harassed the peasants. Many wolves were killed. He raised peasants' patrol to protect life and protect from gangs of thieves whom roamed the countryside. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. लैंड रेवेन्यू कैसे होता था? जैसे क्वालिटी, सॉइल की क्वालिटी देखते थे, अच्छी थी तो वो वैसे ही लैंड रेवेन्यू फिक्स हो जाता था. ही दस मेड द पीपल हैप्पी इन द फील्ड्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिफॉर्म एंड रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन. द वर्क डन बाय दादाजी कोंडदेव एंड द निज़ाम शाही वजीर मलिक अंबर इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसमें ना मलिक अंबर थे, वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट थे. नाउ शिवाजी's एजुकेशन. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Jijabai. उनकी एजुकेशन जीजाबाई के अंडर हुई थी. While returning from Bangalore, Jijabai and Shivaji were accompanied by eminent teachers sent by Shahaji Raje. When they came to Bangalore, उनको साथ में टीचर्स भी दिए गए थे. They were very good in teaching Shivaji. They taught him many sciences, branches of learning and languages. बहुत सारी भाषा सीखी शिवाजी ने. Shivaji acquired the knowledge of excellent administration, war tactics, fort architecture, selection of horses and elephants, ways of escaping from difficult enemy territories, and many other things. शिवाजी's progress in education pleased जीजाबाई very much. ये सब इसके प्रोग्रेस देख के ना जीजा माता बहुत खुश हो गई. That Shivaji is doing best in every field. उसको पता था सिलेक्शन कैसे करनी है हॉर्सेस की, एवरीथिंग ही नो. What his वीर माता